सलामे जहां। वेलकम बैक ख़वातीन हज़रात, आप देख रहे हैं प्रोग्राम सलामे जहां और हमारे पास एक बहुत उम्दा और बड़े ख़ास मेहमान हैं जो कि ना सिर्फ इंसानों की हेल्प कर रहे हैं बल्कि लोगों का करियर डेवलप करने में भी बहुत कुछ हेल्प कर रहे हैं। उबैद, आपसे बात हो रही थी आपके वर्किंग एक्टर स्टूडियो के बारे में। ये एक जो चीज़ है ना, बड़ी मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटिंग लगी है क्योंकि कोई हमारा देसी ऐसा यहाँ पे नहीं है जो इस किस्म की ट्रेनिंग कर रहा हो या ऐसी कोई बात जैसे आप कर रहे हैं। आपने अभी इतने सारे रूप हमें दिखा दिए 1 मिनट के अंदर अंदर। मैं उस पर भी आपसे बात करूँगा, लेकिन ये बताइए कि अगर हमारे लोगों को यहाँ जाना हो तो कैसे जाएं? एक सवाल। दूसरा कि कहाँ है इसकी लोकेशन? तीसरा सवाल ये कि किस किस्म की कॉस्ट है ये?
जी, तो हम ये कर रहे हैं, इसे मैनहट्टन में ही है ये।
अच्छा,
हमने शुरू किया उसको 4 साल पहले।
अच्छा।
मेरी पार्टनर है बेट्सी डेली।
ओके।
और काफ़ी एक्टिंग टीचर्स भी है। हमने शुरू किया उसको ताकि जो एक्टर्स है जो स्ट्रगलिंग कर रहे हैं, जो उनके पास काफ़ी पैसे नहीं हैं, उनको मिल सके एकदम अच्छी ट्रेनिंग, क्योंकि हमारे टीचर्स बहुत ही अच्छे ट्रेनर्स हैं। और सिर्फ ट्रेनिंग ही नहीं मिले, हम उनको कनेक्ट भी करें टैलेंट एजेंट्स के साथ में ताकि वो ऑडिशन कर सके। फिर उसके बाद हम उनको और भी ट्रेनिंग दे सकें ताकि वो एक्चुअली जॉब्स बुक कर सकें। और मैं बहुत खुश है, मैं वेरी हैप्पी बात है कि 4 साल में 75% of our actors are now with talent agents that they met through us, and they're going out for auditions. तो लेकिन हमने कहा अब और भी हम स्ट्रिक्ट हो जाएंगे। Now our motto is very simple. Train hard, get booked. तो लोग जो आते, एक्टर जो आते हैं हमारे पास, कहते हैं भाई आओ यहाँ पर, उस माइंडसेट से आओ कि पूरी मेहनत करनी है। 100%.
So you have to be dedicated to this is what I want.
Dedicated.
And when you say get booked, that means get to work.
That means that you book a job. You are booking, you are actually not just getting, exactly. You're getting the work. You are on TV, you are on film, you're getting
somehow you're making money.
You are making money. So we tell people that when you come to us, वो एक investment है. We don't want you to think of it as spending the money, because we actually count our success if you are getting work.
So what's the investment?
Our classes are in a Manhattan theater, and they're only starting at $25 per week.
Really?
That's it.
$25?
Because we also have our sister company iBlink, which is through which people can also donate back to help us keep this so cheap. And our teachers are incredibly amazing. So Mondays go 6 to 9 p.m. We have our teacher Alan Safir for on-camera audition and voiceover and commercials. He has done hundreds of voiceovers. He has been touring the country for decades doing a one-man show for George Burns as playing George Burns. And he is coming to teach because he wants to give back. जो भी मेरे सर्कल में जो भी लोग होते हैं, उन सबको the same mindset कि खुद का success enough नहीं है, औरों को भी help करो. So on Mondays we have that. They can come and they learn how to maximize the audition. They learn how to do a voiceover, how to do a commercial.
Very interesting.
And the entire class is just $35 per week.
Wow.
And then for Tuesdays,
you just said 25, now you're saying 35.
Well, because it starts from 25.
It starts from.
And then we have different classes, no? So it's 25 or 30.
I'm just trying to help my audience.
I'll make it very simple. The entire semester is going to be for like normally 8 weeks long. So if you take what we call the core, which is Monday 6 to 9 and Tuesday 6 to 10, the full price of that is $680 for 8 weeks. Which comes out to be nothing because it should be double that anywhere else. Right. That's and we purposely done that. Especially because the caliber of teachers. Because Tuesdays go, which is the second half what we have, and you can take it separately. You can take Mondays separately for like $280. You can take Tuesdays separately for $400. And what we have on Tuesdays is 6 to 10 p.m. The first half is taught by the theater company director of a theater company, and he's come to help us, and that's improvising. समझो अगर आप गए ऑडिशन के लिए, आपने प्रिपेयर किया एक बहुत ही गंभीर कैरेक्टर, और फिर डायरेक्टर ने कहा नहीं मुझे चाहिए लाइट कैरेक्टर, गो। तो तुम्हें स्विच करना है, ऐसे करेंगे आप, पर वी ट्रेन यू। और फिर 8 से 10 इट्स टॉप बाय द ओनर ऑफ ए टैलेंट एजेंसी डायरेक्टली, एंड इट्स सीन स्टडी एंड ऑल्सो business of acting. ताकि कैसे करने headshots, कैसे करने marketing, कैसे build करनी relationships, ताकि जो उनके 10% is training and acting to succeed.
Right.
Very important 10%. You have to have that 10%.
Right.
Or 90% have business sense.
Marketing.
Marketing, how to, because it's a given. अगर तुम compete करना चाहोगे इस market में, तो you are expected to have very good training.
Right.
You are expected to fit the part. Skill is very important. And the 90% is how much are you able to market yourself, get the good headshots, all of that. So we teach you the complete package. Because our goal is we are not succeeding unless you are booking. Or if you book a one-line part on a TV show, you get $1,000.
So you recover your money
really?
very fast. आपने इतनी काम की बातें बताई, इतनी एक्साइटिंग है. मैं जो सोच रहा हूँ बड़ी देर से वो ये कि I see a complete actor in you. Okay, and I'm not saying because you're sitting
doing
here,
this for long enough.
Okay, I see
we
it.
see
Okay,
it,
we see it. Okay, ये बताइए कि अभी आपने बात की वॉइस ओवर सीखने की और सिखाने की, तो can you do some voice overs for us, or can you do some accents for us? Can you display something?
ठीक है. Oh, one quick thing. जो भी हमारे audience में singers होंगे, Wednesdays को we have musical theater class, which is taught by Alan Safir and a 12-time Grammy-winning composer who is Thomas Z. Shepard. That's on Wednesdays from 6:39, and he's coming just because he loves what we do.
I just want to tell you one thing.
I
am coming.
You should. Honestly, both of you.
Do the
voiceover. America is all about multiculturalism now. They want to have people of all different skin colors and types.
And ages.
I am telling you, my professional and ages. In my professional analysis, you guys could both be working a lot.
Awesome.
So come get trained. You will work.
So हमें कुछ सुनाइए.
अच्छा ठीक है. तो we talking about accents, ना?
Right.
Okay. So I do lots of different accents. Suppose अगर character अगर है जो कि he's from the Middle East. Hello, how are you doing? My name is Ubaidullah Kadwani. I'm from the Middle East, and I have been in this country for quite a while. But you know, it's very hard being in this country. But I work hard on many different things.
Very nice.
But have you met my friend? He's actually coming from India. Yes, that is very true. Thank you very much, Ubaidullah. And my name is Ubaid Kadwani. I am from Bombay, India, and I've been in this country very recently. And have you met my son? He's also in this country. Oh, thank you, Daddy. How are you? Yes, I've been in this country also very many times, and it's I'm very happy to be here. But have you met my friend? He's actually he's lived in many different countries. Well, thank you very much. I actually have been living in lots of different countries. I've spent time in England and the parts of South America and also Hong Kong. I've spent so much time in so many different countries that I'm not quite from any one country. You could call me international accent, basically. It's all very, very possible.
Awesome.
And then
very good.
Very, very nice.
And we teach all this in our school.
You teach all this. You teach all this. Beautiful. Beautiful.
So, आप थोड़ा सा you mentioned iBlink, which is what? It's something also that you started with your sister, correct?
Yeah, my sister actually began it. I'm the business manager of it. That is the actual parent non-profit organization.
Called iBlink.
It's called iBlink, and it was called iBlink because, you know, when you succeed, everybody says ke palag jhapakte hi success ho gaya. In the blink of an eye, you succeeded. But that is not true. You spend years training. So we said iBlink, in the iBlink for that reason. iBlink is the parental non-profit organization. So with Slice of Hope, that's the parent organization. It's actually it's an organization that is determined to bring about social change using art in all its various broadest forms. So also with Working Actor Studio as well, that's the sister company that people can donate through to help us fund and keep the prices low for the actors as well and all that. So that's what iBlink does. And iBlink also produces many different shows as well.
And the show that Kurat does also, correct. They Call Me Q.
They Call Me Q. Yeah, They Call Me Q. And also we've produced other ones as well during the past year. But yes, They Call Me Q has been, I'm very proud of that. They Call Me Q is a solo one-woman show.
I know.
Solo means as one actor. My sister Kurat Kadwani is the star of it. And it was the first show to be on off-Broadway starring a South Asian female.
MashaAllah.
First show. No such show existed before. She's the first one. Yeah, I'm very proud of her. She plays 13 characters in 1 hour. and it's won all kinds of awards. It's been on TV many times. It's a show that, and now she's touring us right now as well in different colleges. It just celebrated its 50th anniversary. And it spreads a message of diversity, self-acceptance, female empowerment, and accepting that you are different and so is everybody else. And it's called They Call Me Q. It's They Call Me Q show.com. You can find information on there. It's on Facebook as well. You can find information on there as well.
So there's this acting thing, something in the blood. There has to be, I mean, maybe your parents.
I guess, it's, when one person gets into it and they succeed, it's easier. But again, I cannot tell you how hard my sister works. I produced and directed They Call Me Q. When she came to me and said, I want you to direct this, They Call Me Q, I looked at her and said, listen, you understand that I'm extremely demanding. So I do. And so I said, okay, let's see your play. And it was a very good play. But solo shows must be 1 hour. So I said to her, you have to cut out half of your play. And she spent years working on it. I said, you can either do this play the way it is right now, and it'll be an okay play, or you can cut out half the play and make an A+ play. Because वो मेरा core है, वो मेरा basis है. जो भी आप करते हैं, do it excellently. मेहनत करें ताकि it's excellent. क्योंकि उसके बाद से अगर आपका प्रोडक्ट, जो भी आपका प्रोडक्ट हो, जो भी प्रोफेशन में आप हो, अगर आप एक्सलेंटली करेंगे वो काम को, तो उसके बाद से हर अच्छी चीज आएगी कि जो आपका जो कोर फाउंडेशन है, जो आपका प्रोडक्ट है, जो आपका एक्टिंग है, जो आपका एक्टिंग जो प्रोडक्ट है, वो एक्सलेंट होगा. तो she listened. It was an excellent product, and she worked hard, super hard on it. We won awards. She worked hard on it right now as well. And it's amazing. And she's been in the play's been in 36 different states, and
very
it's
good.
For every anniversary.
I'm gonna come back to the first thing very quickly. हमारा time थोड़ा सा कम होता जा रहा है. तेजी से बात करेंगे. Slice of hope. Where do you see it going? One-liner.
Your future plans.
Making communities of America through the help of regular folks like you guys and your viewers.
Awesome.
Very good.
Very good. Same thing for the acting school. Where do you see it going?
Creating working actors of all nationalities and races.
Beautiful. One more thing on WWE.
Yes.
What is it?
So this is something that you started recently.
Yes.
So now, and you're a commentator there now.
I am now the Hindi language commentator.
Really?
Yes, I'm on
We are
the
going
two.
places.
WWE on TV, really?
WWE is actually a global organization.
Yes.
We actually have a champion who is an Indian champion, Jinder Mahal, and it's been wonderful having him as a champion as well. And we also have the Singh brothers with him. WWE is a global, and it understands that the people of India, Pakistan, Southeast Asia are
big
very
market.
important as well. It's a big market.
Yes.
So now we actually broadcast all the pay-per-views, once a month we have a pay-per-view in Hindi. It's currently in 7 different languages, but people can go on to WWE Network and they can listen to all the commentary. One of the commentators is me, is in Hindi.
Okay. How do you do that?
तो हम बैठते हैं वहाँ पर और लाइव इवेंट हो रहा है और हमें कॉल करना है उसको, तो हम बैठेंगे वहाँ पर, हम देख रहे हैं और यहाँ पर आ चुके हैं परवेज महमूद साहब और यहाँ पर बैठे उनके बाद बैठे साथ में नौशी महमूद नौशी बदी पर और वहाँ पर चिल्ला रही हैं, वो क्या हो रहा है, वो बैठे हैं, वो घूर रहे हैं, क्यों घूर रहे हैं, अरे बाप रे बाप, घूरने के बाद वो हिल गए और वो हंस रही है, अरे देखें क्या हो रहा है.
And this is what goes on television.
So yes, because we are calling the actions. They are the stars. They are doing kicks and they're मार-मारी कर रहे हैं, फेंक रहे हैं, they're jumping, and so we have to convey the excitement. तो हम साथ में हम बातें भी कर रहे हैं कि back story क्या है. But and if the viewers want, they can Google WWE Hindi commentary viral. and you see a bunch of commentary come up that has gone viral because people, even in America, even the American English audience has loved how we've called it. It's gone viral as they call it.
Plus your acting comes into it too, right?
Acting comes into it. हम देख रहे हैं उसको, we're watching it live, and we have to call it with that same excitement. जैसे कि अगर घर में कोई फैन बैठा हुआ है, वो कैसे एक्साइटमेंट हो रहा है, वैसे भी एक्साइटमेंट हो रहा है कि वो चढ़ गए ऊपर, वो चढ़ चुके हैं, टॉप रोप पे चढ़ चुके हैं, टॉप रोप से फ्रॉग स्प्लैश हो गया, वहां से आ रहे हैं, सुसाइड डाइव करने जा रहे हैं, लेकिन बाहर से कौन आ रहा है, बाहर से आ रहा है, अरे बाहर से आ रहा है, जी हाँ, अरे वो है ग्रेट खाली, अरे
that's awesome.
So have you met all these wrestling
when I actually get, it's very great, they fly me out every once or twice a month to every different cities in America where they're having the pay-per-views, and we are there with all the stars, and we are backstage all together, and we're preparing, and it's fantastic. I get to sit ringside, and it's just another blessing. And I'm very grateful.
Beautiful.
I want to stress on that 1 second. It's a blessing, and I'm very grateful because दुनिया में बहुत लोग हैं जिन्हें वो चांस भी नहीं मिलता. तो हम सबको जिसके पास चांस है कुछ करने का, कुछ बनने का, तो हमें पूरी मेहनत करनी चाहिए, क्योंकि काफ़ी लोग हैं जिन्हें चांस मिलेगा ही नहीं, क्योंकि शायद उनकी पैदाइश हुई है ऐसी जगह पर, ऐसी कंट्री में, ऐसी जगह पर जहाँ पर चांस ही नहीं है. तो जो भी हमें करना है, हमें उसके बारे में पूरी मेहनत करनी चाहिए, दिल लगा के करना चाहिए.
This is your message to our audience in the camera. So go.
Or even parents के लिए ना, that they should encourage their child if they wants to do it. Say yes, we are behind you.
जी हाँ, parents को encourage children, और children को मेहनत करें, चाहे आप बच्चे हैं, बूढ़े हैं, adults हैं, जो भी आपको बनना है, तो आप पहले अपने दिमाग में डिसाइड करें कि हम पूरी मेहनत करेंगे, चाहे 1 साल लगे या 10 साल लगे, हम पूरी मेहनत करते रहेंगे, क्योंकि हमें ये करने में अच्छा लगता है. और आप ये भी डिसाइड करें कि जब हमें काम, when we become successful, जब हम खुशी मिलेगा, when we become success मिलेगा, तो हम वहीं पर नहीं रुकेंगे. We will then help others who are trying to be successful. उनको भी help करें, ताकि उनको encourage करें, हौसला अफजाई करें, ताकि वो भी बन जाएं successful. पूरी focus करें on becoming happy, becoming grateful for everything you have in your life. काफ़ी लोग होते हैं जो कि कहते हैं, oh, I woke up in the morning, so what? लेकिन आप याद रखें, ये काफ़ी लोग हैं who cannot get up in the morning and have breakfast. काफ़ी लोग हैं who cannot get up in the morning and walk. काफ़ी लोग हैं who cannot have a chance to sleep. तो जो भी small चीज़ें हैं आपके दिन में जो कि एक blessing है, उन्हें आप भूलें मत. हर चीज़ के लिए आप grateful रहें, thankful रहें अल्लाह से कि उन्होंने हर दिन, every day आपको blessing दी है. Basically, focus on how can I become happy, how can I make others happy, how can I keep working towards that, and keep thanking Allah every step of the way.
Beautiful, wonderful message. नूशी, मैं यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा और कमेंट देना चाहूँगा, वो ये कि हमने अभी एमी अवार्ड देखा चंद दिन पहले. There were 3 desi guys there, okay, मुसलमान, three guys who were on the stage. You know what I want to predict? The 4th one is right in front of us. Someday he's going to be on that Emmy stage.
Inshallah, we love it.
So we thank you so very much for taking the time to come to our studios today.
Thank you for having me.
We enjoyed. I hope कि आप सबको भी उबैद की बातों में मज़ा आया होगा. I hope that you can join him in Slice of Hope, and if you are ever thinking about doing some acting classes or you have slight feeling about it, please go out and check him out, okay? Check his school out and see what they have to offer. It may be a life-changing visit for you. With that, मैं और नूशी दोनों आपसे इजाज़त चाहेंगे. अगले प्रोग्राम तक के लिए हमें इजाज़त दीजिए. अल्लाह आपका हामी और नासिर. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.
अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.
सलाम-ए-जहां.